So Arjun was there, a BTech graduate who built his first project using Netflix data, no coding, just Excel plus Chat GPT, and he added it into his resume. It was way back, and within 6 weeks he got interviews because proofs beats paper. Like you can't just let, oh, I created this fancy thing and it doesn't have any proof. So you download an open data set, use ChatGPT, like write me Excel formula for the common things that I can get from this insight, build a chart, call it drama or something kind of that, the dominance within the genres, and piece the insight in 3 bullet points in LinkedIn ready post because people will get highlighted about it. Like your work will be get highlighted about it. People will be exposed to it. So in 2025, recruiters rank projects above certifications now, and hiring managers can scan GitHub, LinkedIn profile before the CVs so that they can know what things you actually have live. So it's more now of portfolio greater than certifications. So if you are actually serious about switching jobs and not just collecting certificates, you need to collect proofs and things that people can see. So you need to post it, you need to make it visible because until unless you have a name now, that is people are known to it, it's very hard to get a job. It's really becoming hard. So it will only get more harder from now on, but you need to be highlighted now. You need to do something that is different from everyone is doing. Otherwise, you'll be just a same person doing the same thing. So if you want to get started, I have listed a lot of data set in my starter pack. You can check it out. The link will be in description. You can buy it off. You can start with it. You will get a full plan. And if you want to self-learn, like we first get the starter pack. If you want to self-learn a lot of skills that are there, my resume and a resource pack, like all those kind of things, all the self-learning projects, all the coding project with the code included, and more than 2K resources are in my resource pack. You can check it out. The link will be in description for everything. And also my that thing is there. My mentorship is there. That thing is mentorship. I call it that thing. I don't know why. So mentorship is there if you really want to know one-on-one and connect with me and get insights on how to take things forward. You can buy the mentorship course and I'll teach you one-on-one. We can connect, we can talk on it, and I'll tell you the path to it. But this is for serious learners. If you are actually, really serious about getting into the field and learning things, then you should enroll in it. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.